Yeah.
So
The book of Job outlines that, right? Because it's a terrible book.
Oh, yeah.
Because God makes a bet with Satan, actually the reverse.
Yeah.
And, you know, Job's a good guy, and
Yeah.
Satan says, yeah, I bet I can take him out. And God says, no, I don't think you can. He's a good guy. I don't think. Do your worst.
Yeah.
You know, do your worst. Have at him, man. And, you know, people read that, the kind of shallow atheist materialist types read that, and they think, God's so reprehensible. It's like, have you lived? You know, you don't think there's anything reprehensible about life? You don't think like horrible, unfair things are going to be hurled your way, and that has to be incorporated into your idea of the absolute? It's like, definitely that's coming. So how about you don't be so naive? You know, on the one hand, the critics of those stories say, well, you know, religion is a defense against death anxiety. And you think, okay, yeah, what about the story of Job? Like, the God in there isn't promising his believers everlasting bliss. It's like, I'll take you out. Earthquakes, storms, and Satan himself. I'm coming at you. You better get ready. There's no whitewashing that. And Job's response is, no matter what is thrown at him, no matter what it is, he maintains faith. Right? And that's not blind stupidity. That's not superstitious, childlike faith. That's toughness. It's like, no, I can handle this. I don't care what it is.